Hey, how's it going? So, today is going to be a good one. Unless you're really into these cars, in which case you're going to hate today. But what I'm about to do is I'm going to hack up the hood and cut the hole for the hood stack. So, purists, leave now, but I'm excited. I like doing that kind of stuff. Should be good. Should look pretty sweet. And yeah, best way to make it happen is just to get going on it. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm not going to completely ruin the car, even though the clear coat's kind of junk in spots on this. I have a different hood, so I'm going to put the new hood on, and we'll cut the other hood. It's not color matched, but it's actually, I kind of like the color. I wish this car was the color of my hood, but you'll see. We'll get going. Alright, so this is my new hood right here. Pretty cool. Really like the color, but we're about to hack it up and put a stack through it. So, guess I won't get too attached. I'm gonna bang this dent out somehow. I don't know. We'll see. So, new, old. I'm going to grab a multi-bit and drop it right through the center. Hope I'm in the center of my stack. I'm going to kind of look at it first though. I hope this is a proper cringe fest for all you purists out there. Although, you know, I had a 4-inch hole saw, but I found that 4-inch hole saw was actually like noticeably bigger than this. And the right size hole saw would probably cost as much as this junkyard hood cost me. So, Hack City. I'm going to use the taper end and smash it through the hood, and it'll just like widen it up to the size it needs to be. Sweet, so the stack stays and doesn't interfere, drops right on top of the exhaust on the inside. Hood stack. Alright, so I'll show you guys down the inside. So, as you can see, it goes right down onto my 3-inch stack on the inside of the hood. So there's the inside. I'm gonna have to weld it or something, but at least it's through and it works for now. So I can at least like close my hood and go for a ride now. So awesome. Glad I did it. Glad I got a hood stack. I might do a little bit more to it before it's completed, but I dig it as it is. Like, that's pretty cool. It's rad. Let's take a look at it from a different angle. Of course, my new grill has got a messed up grill on it. And my new hood has a messed up grill. But I think I can fix that right now. Oh, hammer time. girl's good as new. Gotta take care of that. That wasn't me. But, yeah. It's a little bit cringe. I gotta clean up around that side. Gotta put some like silicone on it or something to seal it. I'll probably do some like ultra orange, but I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Sweet. I like it. I think it's rad. Yeah, so tell me what you think. If you hate it, let me know. That's all for now. Like, subscribe. I dig it. Got the Hoodstack on the Benz. And yeah, gonna call it a night.